Good morning, Room 13. Let's take a look and see what we're doing today. Today and this week, we're going to be focusing on some fun things, some stuff for Dad because Father's Day is this weekend, and just some stuff to wrap up the school year and think about. So let's look at what we're doing. The first thing we're going to do is this interview with Dad, and that does not mean bother your dad the second he wakes up or go wake him up. He would not appreciate that. Trust me. Wait till there's a good time and say, Dad, part of my schoolwork is asking you some questions and see if you can answer some of these. So question 1, so you got to ask him the question and then write down the answer. Where did he grow up? What was your favorite childhood memory? All of those things. If you want to do someone other than Dad, that's just fine. You can do someone who's like a dad to you or someone else entirely. It's all your decision. Page number 2 is awesome, and I highly recommend that you print this one out. This is the library's reading bingo page, and it's awesome because they've made a ton of different things that you can do. So, bingo, right? You got to go in a line, down, or across. But let's say that you really want a nonfiction and you're going across because you like everything else. You can actually sub these out. You can cross this out and write in a different topic. You can even make up your own topics. They'll let you literally do whatever it is you want. Right down here, you write your goal. So you could write to get a bingo. You could write to read one book. Whatever you think is a reasonable goal for you, as long as you accomplish that goal and bring this back to your library, they give you a free book, like a brand new unused book. It's awesome. So check that out. I highly recommend that you guys do this. Page number 3 is kind of a, if it stops raining, rain, ruining our plans. You're going to look around your property, your house, wherever it might be, and see if you can find an insect with, or a bug with spots, with wings, that hops, that lives underground, that has more than 8 legs and has no legs. Bonus points if you can take a picture. I love when you guys take the pictures and put them on here. It's like my favorite. The last page and the one that I want to talk to you the most about is this one. It says collecting data sets. Okay. Today we're going to collect some data. Let's talk about it. So I want you to walk around your house and I want you to count the number of desks. You could also include tables in here just to make it fun. Count the number of books, count the number of windows, chairs, lamps, pictures on the walls, and shelves. And you're going to record those here. So if it's, well, let's say I have 4 desks. 1, 2, 3, 4. See if you can make your bar a little neater than mine. The other thing that you could do that might actually work better now that I'm thinking about this is coming over here and using the shapes button and then grabbing a rectangle. Yeah, I like that rectangle. And then you can just shrink down the rectangle to the right size. Put it where you want. Oh yes, this looks much better. Ta-da! Just like that. So you're going to graph the furniture in your house. This part down here, I'm going to delete, but let's talk about it. It says, what would you do if you wanted to count all the desks, including the teacher desk? How could you show that the teacher desk belongs to a set of desks, but it's a different style of desk? The answer to that is you would do maybe all the student desks in blue and then maybe add on to the bar in red and make like a little, what am I thinking of? A legend or a key. So that you could show, like, these are the student desks, and then there's one teacher desk in red. Hopefully that makes sense, but I will delete this part at the bottom so that you do not have to worry about it. So I want to see you graph the stuff in your house. Go for it. Have an awesome day. I will see you on Seesaw.